Hi friends, this is Santosh. Welcome to my channel. And now today we are learning about solar. What is solar? Which type of metal is used for solar structure and how much water use the solar cells and which type of metal can be used and where its temperature can be used in solar. Okay friends, now now opening my just I'll you give you a sample over it. Mm. Friends, this is see. Now you saw a panel. This is solar panel, friends. This is see. This is one of the panel which made in companies. No? Yeah. This big panel. We have small panels and based on the companies we can design the panels. Where based on the customers, the companies will design the panels, friends. Okay. Now where let we study out in detail of this pen. So friends, see this is cell. Combination of cells we will call a module. See, this is a module and this cell. The combination of cells will be a module, friends. By connecting all the cells in series, we'll get a module and we'll get an output, friends. The value of one cell will be 4.5 4.5 watts, friends, and 0.5 watts, 0.5 volts, and 4.5 watts, friends. Output of one single cell. This is a PV cell, friends, photovoltaic cell. This is made of see, friends. This is a PV cells. This type see. If you are looking here, here we can see this now, friends. Here, small lines. These are grid lines, friends. Grid lines. When the sunlight will falls on this, the energy produces in this, and the grid lines helps to transfer energy from the lines, and at last the bus take the output and gives out by an output, friends. You see, this is a module. You can understand any difference between this module and the software in first module. You can, friends, see. Okay friends, I will tell the difference. See, friends, this is a monocrystal solar panel, and first shown, friends, that is a polycrystal solar plate, friends. See, if you observe in that means, if we have very small gaps in that, small very grid lines, but in this we have large spaces in the grid lines, very large spaces. See, and one more easy trick is this is black in and that is in blue, friends, but it's not correct. Okay friends, next, see how solar work. Conventional, yeah, solar is renewable energy, friends. In present the solar will work because of non-renewable energy sources or exhausting day by day petrol, just like thermal means we need a coal, or hydel we need a very costly hydel means we need a nuclears and hydrochemicals for the nuclear reaction. It may dangerous situation also. That is the reason nowadays we are implementing more and more solar, and it is a renewable energy sources, it cannot be exhausted, friends. See, conventional solar energy, if the solar energy falls on the panel, then see, friends, here we have p p-type silicon and n-type silicon. In the top we will see now, friends, this is p-type silicon, and then middle junction will be there, and at last n-type silicon will be there. Means in p-type, when in p-type electrons will be there, and in junction it is a depletion junction, friends. No electrons will be there in that, and from that only we will get an voltage, output voltage, friends. And at down n type we have protons, friends. In p type we have a very thick p type and very less space, friends. In in n type we have large space and very thin, friends, layer. See, friends, electron flow electron flow. And this is we use on pink one, it is depletion layer. This is a negative charge and this is positive charge, friends. Negative charge electrons and positive charge hole, friends. See, and the solar plate is connected to a load, means we cannot directly connect to solar. If it is single means you can connect to battery, but we will have a solar controller, friends. By using solar control, we must connect it. So you see the one of this structure, solar panel, metallic, and see this one structure of it. N-type layer, anti-reflection coating, sunlight, sunlight, and transparent adhesive, corrosive forces, front courses, and N-type layer, P-type layer, back fence. Okay, friends. See. In this. In this, after that, you will know, friends. After collecting series, we'll think how the model will become. The model will become, and the cells will be placed on a glass, temper glass, with maybe 2 to 3 friends, and then we will see, friends, frame glass, inscriptor, solar cell, inscriptor, backsheet, junction box. This is a process, friends. One the funds frame will be frame replacement frame means in the glass, friends. Glass. After that, small frame, friends, frame, and after that glass, and then in envelope means for protecting cells, friends, and again envelope after this protecting backside, friends, and a backsheet to invisible the solar, and looking, friends, we will use backsheet, and after that junction box, use JB, friends. This is junction box. JB will call it JB. We use JB for output, friends. We'll get the output, my friends. After connecting all in, we'll get 4 output, friends, in series. We will connect to junction box, and with junction box we will take the output, friends. See here, aluminum frame, tempered glass, interrupter, EVA, encryptant, solar cells, encryptor, EVA, backsheet, and junction box, friend. This see, cell module array. If you will call, see, if you catch one cell means it is called cell. Combination of cells, module. Combination of modules, we can array. In deep structure, we'll use, you will know, friends. And this is silicon, friends. We will use dry silicon in the manufacturing of solar cells, friends. Dry silicon, the silicon which is made, and we'll use carbon dioxide gas, friends. The combination of two will get a wafer of silicon. After getting the wafer, just wafer will be there. We want a circuit, grid lines to energy transportation, and we'll print the grid lines on it. After that, we'll put bus bars, and we'll connect output from one cell to another cell by using bus bars. Okay, friends. The silicon material 14. It's a it is an atomic number is 14. Atomic weight is 28.08, friends. This is a powder silicon, friends. Dry powder silicon. We will use commonly, friends. Okay, friends. Thank you, friends. Thank you for seeing my video. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you, and subscribe me, please, friends.